How to fix the issue with WordPress not sending email. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with WordPress application not sending you email. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open the WordPress application and go to General Settings. In General Settings, you will see the option of Administration Email Address and check whether your email is correct or not. After that, you need to go to Plugins. You will see the option of plugins in the left hand side menu. Simply click on it. After that, now you need to select all the plugins in WordPress by clicking on the checkbox beside plugin at the top. Once you have clicked on it, simply click on Apply Altogether. You need to deactivate all the plugins. So to do it all together, click on Deactivate and then Apply. Now once you have deactivated all the existing plugins, click on Plugin again and click on Add New. As now we will be adding new plugin to fix the issue with email. So in the search box, simply type WP Mail SMTP. Simply click on it and install. After installing, you need to choose the option of Activate. Once you have activated the plugin, you need to manage settings for this. So for that, click on Settings again from the left hand side menu and here choose the option of the new plugin which we just installed. As you can see, here you need to provide all your details. After you have provided all your details, you need to provide the details for the plugins now. And after that, you need to click on Save Setting. And that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with email not receiving from WordPress. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.